Hello everybody, it's Rocco Sourdough Chef with Rocco Jr. and Brando in our kitchen at home. High tea, Devonshire tea, is that right Mama? What do the English call it? Scones, cream, jam, and in this case we've got milk for the kids and some strawberries. Sourdough scones in the oven. Beeping to stop, keep going. Here they are. Just made them. I adopted Mrs. Rocco's recipe and have made them using the recipe is going to be on our Facebook page, posted this afternoon, once we have our scones. And we put them in muffin tins because the batter is a little bit thin, a little bit thinner, so we wanted to have the shape. They're beautiful, and I'm going to let them cool down. I'll try without burning myself and pull one out. I think these will be great. We will come back once they've cooled down in 15 minutes or so and see what they taste like with stuff. Here they are, loving it. After school, sourdough scones. Now, whose scones are better, Mum or Dad's?
I think Dad's.
I think I like them both.
Oh, very diplomatic boy, clever.
Mom's is very good, but Dad's is good because I actually think Dad's too.
Apparently, Mum doesn't mind because it's all her recipe, which is absolutely true. We sat down here, went through my wife's recipe for her scones. She makes magnificent scones, and we adapted them using our sourdough balls from Rocco Pizza. So,
Wait.
I've already eaten half. These boys are demolishing them. Mum's already had a bite. They are amazing. Please try them. You'll find the recipe on our Facebook page, Rocco Pizza Italian Sourdough. Only one thing left to do again. Very good.
So good.
Over and out. I need to eat mine now, guys. So, bye for now.